Okay, sonke siyazi ukuthi mabedlala iPirates idlala neSundowns, you're going to see a beautiful football. So iSundowns inale tendency leyo ukuthi ipushe up uMdawu, ipushe up noModiba to actually congest eMiddeleni, so that uTebza izodropa back a little bit, baqale badlala noma triangles. It's either noMdawu, no Ayende, no Tebza, Ayende, uTebza, uModiba. Then mabe progressive play bazofetha uNesi, Ayende, mase kuba uSalele. Then be attack ke phambili bazofetha it's either uMatthews okanye uReynolds, depending ukuthi badlala ngoReynolds noma badlala ngoShalulile. Today bebedlala ngoShalulile. But in terms of initiating the play, it wasn't excellent namhlanje because uTebogo bengekho. So lama Diamonds abawafomayo noma kuthiwa bebethana ngani awafomelanga, because in terms of passing, Opas is not as clinical as uTebogo. Fine, in terms of defense, it's another story. But in terms of passing, in terms of vision, in terms of progressing the play, Utebza is on leaps and bounds above Opas. Maybe that was the factor. But on the other hand, you need to give kudos to Abdeslam Wado, because he identified the strength of Sundowns. To form lama Diamonds or lama triangles, but overload the middle. Pusha Umodiba, but push Umodawu, then Utebza must drop a back, lime it lane, baby no Ayende and Onunes. Progressing the play and moving forward. So now I said he get first half Angzuba on number 10. Angzuba on number 10 because he knew Utare could Debs. So initiating your play by Zuba that clinical. Why is Fagama 8-2 no 6 yet? Which nullified Wonka Kunja and progressive plays with Sundowns, and they pushed them back with Sundowns in Tini Bola with first half Kakulu. Because my way to Afinial, normal game young. As long as this Afinial, it doesn't hurt the Pirates log. But on the other hand, he pressed a Pirate, created so many opportunities. It's just that the Pirate wasn't clinical in front of goal, and that's been the problem. The Pirate, they're creating so many chances, but in front of goal they are not that clinical. In the cool is the fact that they do have a clinical striker, a goal poacher. And he's sitting on the stands, not even on the bench. I do not understand that element. Please, what don't make sense of that? Why do you have a clinical striker, a goal poacher, a best finisher on your squad sitting on the stands? I hear your point, and you want to give them an opportunity, which is evident. Good dancing la by Emetlin, and it's been exceptional. Oh, lela goal shine for it. Ila gola lishayile mfowethu, lela gola uronza kabonanga ukuthi kwenzakala indaba. Ubevala impela leya engele and umfana ushaya khona la evale ngakhona, and uronza uzengele neqehwasha emva kwalo kwalandela ethi le nto betheza ngifuna ukukhuluma isingisi, yenza ngifuna ukukhuluma isisuthu, akayithibi into edira lekeleni. He doesn't know what happened. Ngespoon akabonanga ukuthi kwenzakaleni lapha. And for that it is good to give Bafana Mancane an opportunity, because that builds to the future of the club. But on the other hand, you have a goal poacher, a clinical finisher sitting on the stands. Yes, some strikers like Mancane, Abombutuma, Nungwana says, are given the opportunity, but are not as clinical as Tsekova Sumabasa. At least bring one of them and also Umabasa, so that when things doesn't go your way in terms of wanting to press high, I'm an opponent and they are easily bypassing your first line of defense, then you know what, once you gain position of the ball, moving forward, there's someone also boxing or pin back, I'm a defender, and was given two chances, one of them is going to be a goal, and that is Tefokasi Mabasa. He is sitting on the stands. Make that point make sense, sir. Coming back to the game, the Pirates in the second half created a number of chances, which speaks to the point that they have a clinical striker who is sitting on the stands. Yet, one of my chances wasn't capitalized on. The opportunities weren't buried. Pirates could have easily won that game with many goals. And we made Ronwen Williams look like a great goalkeeper. But the problem was in finishing, the opportunities wasn't up to par. So in terms of the striker selection, Pirate, they need to make a serious scrutiny in terms of striking department sabo, because they do have a clinical finisher sitting on the stands. At time they take Umabasa and give him his season. But it's a season, these other guys bazodlala emakhapini until they are clinical. But if we want to win a season, we need to score in goal as much as we can when we create those opportunities, because those goals count at the end of the season. We need to be scoring goals, and a lot of goals. Looking at the number of chances the Pirates were creating on every game, on average, a game, there's a lot of chances, but there's a lot of non-clinicalness in terms of finishing. My friend players were on. But let's not blame our wingers, because they are doing a lot of work. Whether they're going wide or they're cutting back in to add numbers in front of goal, they are doing a lot of work. We need a finisher. We need a finisher. And we do have that finisher. He's sitting on the stand. This is Nevertheless Commentaries. My name is Sipho Ndlovu. Please do like, subscribe, comment, and also share our work. We're doing this for you. We love you. And we will see you on the next video. Thank you.